Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Alright, so you ready for this? Let's make some chicken peanut butter soup. Yes, some chicken peanut butter soup. You know, this is an unusual dish, but if you like peanut butter, you're in business. If you are allergic to peanut butter, do not put the peanut butter in yours, and you can follow me with the rest of the ingredients for chicken soup, okay? So let's do it. We're going to make chicken peanut butter soup, and I think you're going to like it. I know you're going to like it. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Share the video. Subscribe. Check out my links below if you want to support me and this channel in any way. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so let me introduce you to the ingredients. This is 1 chicken breast cut up. This will feed a family of 4. Remember, peanut butter is protein as well. So now you have 2 meats, okay? Well, you have 2 proteins, the chicken and the peanut butter. There's the peanut butter that I'm going to be using. You can use any peanut butter that you have. Black pepper. Garlic and herb, chicken base, turmeric. I have 1 red pepper diced and cut up. I had it frozen. I took the frozen bag out. I put it in the microwave for 1 minute. I drained off the liquid, and here we have the 1 red pepper. I'm going to be using some garlic paste, onion paste, 1 large onion cut up, some corn from the can, corn, and I have some crushed red peppers here, okay? Okay, so let's get started. And I'm going to be using some olive oil. I'm going to put the olive oil in just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. 1, 2, 3. Let me show you that. Very little down there, right? Okay. Let's turn the fire on. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with our onions. We're going to saute the onions. I'll let that get hot a minute. I hope you're having a good day. I was tired. I got me some rest, and so now I'm feeling much better, and I'm having a wonderful day. And I'm glad to be back in the kitchen with you. Okay, because you know I enjoy serving you. Yes, I do. Okay, let's put the sliced onions in. I'll let that saute. I'm going to put the top on it to speed up the process. I'm going to let that cook for about 2 or 3 minutes until it starts to cooking. And I'll be right back. 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so our onions have been cooking for a couple of minutes. So now we're going to start adding our ingredients. Let's add the chicken. I did not season the chicken. So remember, this is going to be a soup, so we're going to add it all in and add water, right? I'm adding up corn. Putting a little 1, 2, 3 oil. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to add our garlic paste. Teaspoon of garlic paste. And a half. going to add our cut up red pepper. That's one whole red pepper. I'm going to add a tablespoon of onion paste. 1 tablespoon. Alright, so now I have some crushed red peppers. So I got a teaspoon of crushed red peppers. Put that in. Now I'm going to add some chicken base. Tablespoon. And a half. And a half. Okay, now I'm going to add some water. So 4. So I just added 4 ounces of water. How much water you add is not really a problem, okay, because it's soup. So if you need to add more to stretch your meal, add more. Okay, now we're going to add the herbs. 1 second. Okay, we're going to add the garlic and herb. Seasons is your choice, how much or little you want to add, okay? Black pepper. Turmeric. You know, turmeric has a lot of health benefits. Okay, 1 heaping teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, so we're going to let this cook for about 20 minutes and then I'm going to add the peanut butter. So we'll be back when that is done in about 20 minutes, okay, and we'll take it from there. Thank you. Okay, so our chicken peanut butter soup have been cooking for about maybe 20 minutes. Now we're going to add the peanut butter. 1 heaping tablespoonful. 2 heaping tablespoons full. That means running over. 3 heaping tablespoons. Alright, so let's mix that in and see how that gets. It's going to thicken the soup up as it melts. So I'm just trying to break it up within the soup. You want to look for the chunks of peanut butter so that you can break it up. If your soup gets too thick, add some water. Okay, I want to get a clean spoon and taste that. So I'm tasting to see if I need to add more peanut butter or not. I can definitely taste the flavor of the peanut butter. But I think I would like a little more. So I'm going to go with 4 heaping tablespoons of peanut butter. This is my 4th, okay? And it is definitely getting thick. So you can look at the peanut butter as if it's a gravy. You know how gravy thickens things up? That's what the peanut butter will do. Okay, I want to add some water to that, because mine is definitely getting thick. And you want it, you don't want it thick, you want it a little thin because it's soup, right? So that's a cup of water I just added. So I'm going to let that come back to a boil. And let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is voting. Voting. It's your right, it's your duty to vote. Because if you want your voice to be heard, you want changes to be made, you want to see certain people out of the government, you have to vote because it counts. I'll tell you what don't count. When you sit home and don't go vote. When you don't mail in your mail-in ballot. When you don't let your voice be heard. And when you don't tell others to vote. Yes, that's what you should be doing, okay? Because if not, it's okay. You just remember you didn't vote for change. You liked it just the way it is. And we've been through a lot with this epidemic going nationwide. So if nothing else, that should put some fire under you to vote. Please vote, okay? And tell your children and their friends and tell everyone. Come on guys, let's vote. Maybe you can even meet up at the voting place together. Give each other moral support. You know, do your social distance, but still be proactive, okay? All right, that's the word of the day. Vote. Please vote. Thank you. Okay, guys. So, our chicken peanut butter soup is out. And I cooked some cilantro rice to go with it. So let me plate that up so you can see. So I'm just going to get a scoop of the peanut butter soup. And I'm going to put some rice right in the middle. Like that. Now let me taste that for you. Okay. There you go. Let's taste. I'm going to blow it. It's hot. Oh my. Oh, guys, this is a A+. That creamy peanut butter comes right through as soon as you put it down your throat. It doesn't even remind you of soup. And when you cook the onions separately first for about 2 or 3 minutes, it brings the sweetness out of the onions. I can definitely taste the sweetness. Oh guys, this is a home run. Please try this one. I guarantee you you'll like it, okay? And what another way that you can have the kids eat peanut butter. Okay, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Check out my links below if you'd like to support this channel in any way. I have a GoFundMe and a Patreon on those links. Okay? Alright, so until next time, you know I'll be back. Bye-bye.